Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to change your username on the Facebook Lite app using your phone. This is a simple process that will help you personalize your profile and make it easier for friends to find you. First, open the Facebook Lite app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then scroll down until you find the option called Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to open more options. After that, select Settings. After that, click on Accounts Center to manage your profiles. Next, select your profile from the list and tap on it again. Then select the Username option. Here, you can enter the new username you want to use. Finally, after typing your desired username, click on Done to save the changes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with friends, and thanks for watching.